Hey everybody, it's Chasey Poo. I have like ridiculous hair right now. I'm in the dining room. I don't really have any good lighting except the light of the outside. Anyways, I want to do a quick unboxing today of the Spouti. Alright, so this is an STP and it's really small, and normally I wouldn't do an unboxing of such a small product. I would just do a review. However, a lot of people have asked questions about this specific one, so I decided I'm going to do an unboxing so that you can leave all the questions that you have about this in the comments below. So when you open the box, first of all, the box is like really cute, just like that. You open it and this is what it looks like. It has this like, it looks like chicken hay, but it's not, it's paper. And then you get a little leaflet. You get instructions, okay? The leak-free STP. Be advised, there are graphic placement instructions on the back of this brochure. Okay, so, okay, yeah, that is pretty graphic, but that is, yep, okay, I'm just gonna show you that quickly. So, this is what it looks like. Now, let me tell you that I actually got the first Spouti. It was like super long time ago when they, I think they had just started. It was like molded or something. You could tell that it was like handmade, which is, there's nothing wrong with that, absolutely not. But it wasn't as good as this here. Let me tell you that this is a way like increased production of this product. Anyway, so it's like super small, as you can see. You're supposed to know where your urethra is and put your urethra right under this. No idea what the hell this tab is, but I'll figure that out. And then you're supposed to be able to pee. And what I like about this is that you can actually like kind of do this after and put in your pocket, right? So it's not an STP as like a packer STP. So you can't pack with this. You can't just like leave this there, I don't think. But you can pee with it and apparently it doesn't leak. So I will tell you right now, no lie, my first impression, I'm really skeptical because we're supposed to know of course it comes with practice. You need to like know where your urethra is, whatever. But you really have to like figure it out. And if you miss, you don't really have much space to deal with. Whereas other SCPs that have a larger cup, if you miss, you're like not really gonna miss because the cup is huge. But this, you really gotta know where you're placing it. So I'm just gonna leave this little unboxing / first impression video here. I would like you to post in the comments below any questions that you have about this material, or can you cut this, or what does it feel like when you pee, or what the hell is this little thing here? Because who knows? So let me just bring it up to you if it would ever focus. There you go. So it looks like it's made out of silicone, but obviously all that information will be given to you properly in the review. But yes, I just wanted to show you this. Let me know what you think. Put it in the comments below, and I look forward to reading your questions and making a video review about it. All right, have a great day. Love you. Bye.